Hi everyone, let's start the unbox of Mi11X. So we just received a parcel from Amazon. Just carry on after. So this is an Amazon typical parcel what we get for a mobile. Let's reveal what is in the boxes. Yeah, this side gets open. Here it is, guys. The Mi11X 5G. Let's say the actual price. Yep, the actual price, as you can see, it's 33.99, but maybe a typical Amazon you'll get around 30k, but I got this just for 20k because there was an offer going on Amazon. So please check out the Amazon's offers. So there's always like update coming over there. So what do you have in contents? Mobile adapter, USB Type C cable, SIM eject tool, user guide, warranty card, soft case, Type C 3.5mm headphone adapter. This is new, guys. This mobile doesn't come with a 3.5mm jack, so they provide us an adapter to fix your 3.5mm jack earphones. So here we see designed by Xiaomi. Let's reveal the back. Here is a mobile. Keep this aside. Let's see what's inside this. User manual and a soft case. Better to put this soft case before you get anything new from Amazon. Like if you are guys want to order a hard case, so which has a stand, typical, but still, whenever you unbox after this, you just put it for a safer purpose. And this, as I said, 3.5mm jack port is not available in the mobile, so they are given us an extension to our Type C charger port, and this will be the port to 3.5mm jack ear headphones. So let's see inside what else. Okay, we have a 33-watt charger, which is a fast charger, and USB cable, Type C adapter. Then let's move to our mobile now. As you can see, there are three variants of mobile. One is black, one white, and this one is a silver kind of. So I really like this silver one. As you can see, it's like glowing. It's a glass finish, not a matte finish, which is a better one. As you can see, the glow coming over here. Typical of this, the specifications are 48 megapixel camera, triple quad cameras, and as I say, 48 megapixel for 30k range. 48 megapixel is a lesser megapixel camera, so but still the camera works perfectly fine because it has a Sony sensor in it. The Sony sensor makes it very powerful, and it has 870 Snapdragon processor. That's too good, and this has all the features of Note 10 Pro Max and more. So let's start. I'll quickly set up this and get back to you guys, so we can move to our, you can see what's inside the mobile, just for the top features, only the top features. Now let's set up the mobile. Okay, so I'm done all the setup of setting up. Is was like a half an hour job to remove all the ads of IMI, those usually pre-installed. Just a second. Those all pre-installed apps, so I need to delete it manually and then remove all the notifications, ads which usually comes like a troublesome in MI. But still, after you remove all those you need to do while you're setting up. After you remove that, like pretty good mobile. Oh, so let's see how fingerprint sensor, how does it work. So it's pretty quick, and it's a super AMOLED display. What you can see, it's really cool, better than LCD. Let's move to the video. So as they say, super AMOLED gives a better version of video. Let's check off that. And this has a Dolby speakers too, which enhances your sound and picture quality, everything. Let's go to YouTube and search for. I would, yeah, we'll go for Dolby. We'll go for trailer, I guess. Uh, Godzilla versus Kong. Let's see this. I guess you can guys can see it normally, but on seeing through me, it's like too. Like I had Note 6 Pro later on, which has like normal LCD screen, but the Super AMOLED uh, gives an a different feeling over here. So that's it, guys. So what else? Extra features? Yeah, this camera features. There are plenty of camera features over this, like cloning and everything. Like you can see those hacks in YouTube, so you can check out that too. Those are like pretty much advanced features, and plus the Sony sensor, which are too good. And for people who do vlogs and all those, we have those extra features too, and cloning. We have the clone frame and clone video and freeze frame, every features over here. And the clarity is too good because in fact being a 48 megapixel, the clarity is pretty good. And this doesn't have any heating issues. Mostly my phones would have heating issues, but this doesn't heat up. It's like a normal temperature every time. And the charging is too fast, like 45 minutes 0 to 100. Like usually it says 55, but I have seen charging it by 45 minutes. So that's it, guys. So the main thing is the back panel, which I really liked. The glass finish which we get with the shading of silver and golden kind, like it changes color every time when you see it. It's a glossy thing, that's which stands out every time when we put a cover, this kind of cover. It mm, bit dims that glossy thing, but still, first of all, we need to protect our mobile. That's a prime thing. And this has a Gorilla Glass finish, but still, we need to. That's it, guys. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.